Welcome to my channel, Renas Kitchenary. Let's start. 2-pound chicken breast. Make shallow cuts on the chicken breast. Sprinkle each slice with pepper. Thoroughly rub the chicken breast to evenly distribute the flavors of salt and pepper. Repeat the previous chicken preparation process. Place the coated chicken breast in a pan with a small amount of butter. After 5 minutes, turn the chicken breast over. Slice the 2 cloves of garlic and crush them. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Squeezed with a tablespoon of lemon. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Crushed garlic. 1 teaspoon honey. Stir the sauce to even out the flavor on the chicken and also turn the chicken over. Allow it to sit over low heat for 1 minute. And cover for 3 minutes over low heat. After 3 minutes, open it. It is now cooked. It is time to plate with lettuce. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching, Renas Kitchenary. Follow my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.